ప్రస్తుతం మనం ఇక్కడ శిల్పకళా వేదికలో ఉన్నాము. ఈరోజు బెంగాలీ బెంగాలీ కల్చర్‌తో పాటు బెంగాలీ కుజిన్ అలాగే బెంగాలీ మూవీని కూడా ఈరోజు సెలబ్రేట్ చేస్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ. ప్రధానంగా మనం ఇక్కడ ఈ బెంగాలీలకు సంబంధించి ఇక్కడ బెంగాలీ సమితి వాళ్ళు ఈరోజు ప్రత్యేకంగా బెంగాలీకి సంబంధించిన హస్తకళలతో పాటు తమ వంటకాలు అలాగే తమ ఫిలిం ఫెస్టివల్‌ని కూడా ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ శిల్పకళ వేదికలో కూడా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు. మనం ప్రస్తుతం ఇక్కడ ఆర్గనైజర్ పార్థ్ అని ఉన్నారు. ఆయన్ని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాము మరిన్ని వివరాలు. Hello, Mr. Parth. How are you
Hello,
doing?
sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm doing good. How
Yeah.
are you,
So,
sir?
what is the significance of this film festival?
Okay, there are two parts actually. One is the film festival which we started in 2014. The significance has changed. Initially, it was to bring the Bengali films to Hyderabad for the cinephiles of Hyderabad, because back in 2014, Bengali films were not easily available in Hyderabad for people. Now, things has changed since we started the festival. Now the Bengali films are getting released. Every new Bengali films, good films are getting released, and people are able to watch. So the significance has changed from no Bengali films to Hyderabad to plenty of Bengali films. Now we have focused more into the independent films, independent filmmakers, whatever work they are doing. That is one part, that is from Bengal. Second part is the culture exchange. We are including films from other languages. We include Telugu films, we have Kashmiri films, we have other southern Indian languages films. So from films from every part of the country, now it is coming to Hyderabad Bengali Film Festival. So though the name is Hyderabad Bengali Film Festival, but it is beyond Bengal. It has become an
So, what's the reason behind you precisely choose the venue Hyderabad? What's the reason behind on this?
One thing is we are in Hyderabad. I'm into IT, and my friends, the volunteers. It's a not-for-profit festival. So whoever are working for this festival, they are completely volunteering, and they are somehow related to Hyderabad. We are staying in Hyderabad. We are working here, and also we love the entire environment here. In Hyderabad, there is a unique thing. uh, People from different culture, different religion, different languages, they come to Hyderabad. They are to staying. We all are staying together very peacefully, and yet we have a lot of opportunities. We have opportunities to grow. So Bengalis in Hyderabad has the Hyderabad has become a very you know uh, very a place where people are accepted. Different languages, different culture is accepted. So it has a mosaic nature, multi-ethnic. So that is the unique thing about Hyderabad. And so we are staying here. We are mingling with people here. So we all together are celebrating the essence of art and culture.
Right. What is the theme today which you have displayed inside? Can we get inside? Could you explain me the theme of the today's event?
Sure. So this place, the ethnic hall of Shilparamam, when this year we were planning for this festival, we thought of doing something. It is not only the films. There are other forms of arts and independent artists. We wanted to include them. So different
So,
art
will you
forms.
encourage here the localites in your film festival, like Telugu, who speaks Telugu and who are acting in here in Tollywood as well? Someone is acting in a Collywood or some Sandalwood. Even though you encourage them also.
Of course, we do. Already we get films from different languages. They come as audience, and here on this stage, there are 350 plus artists. They are going to perform today and tomorrow, between today and tomorrow. You can see the paintings there. So these are not just from Bengalis. These are coming from different places, different communities. So we encourage, not only we encourage, we already involve them. And there is one interesting fact. I'm Bengali by birth, but I'm staying in Hyderabad, and by passion I'm an actor, and I work in Telugu film industry. I work in 6 Telugu feature films and many ads and other short films and all. So that is the essence, the culture exchange. Language should not be the barrier. So it is true India. Hyderabad is the true picture of India.
Could you show us the Bengali crafts as well, the paintings which are displayed? Could you show a few of them?
Some of them, yes, yeah, please come. So the name of the painting is Tiger's Tail, and it is the sketch is made by Indranil Ganguly. He is a Bengali guy. Yeah.
He also hails from.
He's a Bengali,
Bengali guy,
So
right?
it is. I think the artist is not here. He will be the best person to explain why he has made it. But you can see the the name of the painting, the sketch is Tiger of Tail. So these are some of the cartoons and all which are made. This is
So again, now you are showing today as exactly we are a Hyderabad residents. You are showing as a Royal Bengali, Royal Bengal tiger here. The artist who have did a good painting here, and
that is the portrait of the great Mrinal Sen. So it is he. When we talk about Indian films, there are few names we always remember: Satyajit Ray, Mrinal Sen, Ritik Ghatak. So this is Mrinal Sen, and it is he is 100 years. So we are celebrating the centenary of the great filmmaker. So someone has painted
here the
it.
painter artist is Arjit Banerjee.
So yeah.
Oh, that's great. He's
So
one
it
of
is a
the
sketch. Artist.
big wig in a Bengal film industry.
Yeah, Mrinal Sen, late Mrinal Sen is definitely, he is a maestro. I mean, and the painting is done by another Bengali guy.
Okay.
So here I will talk. This is by
So usually Bengalis worship goddess Kali much. Usually during Dasra Navaratri is also.
that is Durga Mata. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So Dasara is around the corner. So keeping that in mind, we have put some Bengali handloom and all out there, so people can so that this is the time when people go for. I mean, especially we Bengalis. I mean, we get new clothes and all, so we go mad about the new collections and also keeping that in mind, we have Bengali handloom also.
That's great. Could you show me some handlooms as well? A few crafts also.
For that, we have to go to.
All right. Mr. Parth, exactly what these are? These are the Bengal made or these are local made?
These are majorly Bengal made. Or, ladies they use these things. Shakha Pola. Then we have all these handicrafts. These are all custom jewelry and all.
Also terracottas,
These are
all those are
some
cloth jewelry,
Yeah.
fabric jewelry.
Yeah, your name please.
Saji.
So all these are brought from Bengal or manufactured here?
No. There is nothing local. All are from, especially, matlab, mainly from West Bengal and from other parts of India. But there is no local stuff in my stall.
The looms, handlooms, or
handlooms and all. Yes. These are handlooms, right?
So
English
these,
of
these
handloom
also
too.
manufactured in Bengal,
Bengal.
or here in Hyderabad?
No. These are all.
Mostly they are from Bengal, like tussar and silks, but some other state weaves are also there. But specifically, we are showcasing our Bengal handlooms and Bengal products.
So
those are all handwork.
those
or
are all
tussar.
the varieties, especially for a married woman or any for an unmarried woman also.
Anyone from 16 till 60, all will like our choice, the kind of hand embroidery and taste we are keeping. I'm
So
sure.
it's totally depend on embroidery work or.
Mostly we try to give a touch of handwork or embroidery to make it more beautiful, other than the material itself. Otherwise, material is available in the shop also, but we try to give a touch of handwork over and above extra to the material of tussar and silks.
Here we are seeing a few dresses also as well as sarees also. So everything is made in a Bengal.
Yes, but no, I have got some stuff from other states as well. Like for example, this one. This is a Gujarat Kutch special. Okay, so kind of few other state products are also there, but mostly Bengal.
So how much? What's the price of one sari?
Starting, I've got saris like Bengal Mal cottons are there, which will start from 1500, but my upper range is going up to 16,000-17,000. Okay, but
So-
starting from 1500.
No, my question is, does middle class will afford these your saris?
Of course, middle class, yes, middle class. There's a big range, so middle class, I have got range from 1500 rupees to So easily 2,500, 3,000 anyone buys these days. So absolutely affordable for middle class.
Right.
Maybe a middle class as well.
What are the special dishes today
Special
for Hyderabadi?
So that is the,
These
I
are
mean,
the purest Bengali desert.
pure Bengali sweets. They have made it, and these people are from. I mean, they are from Bengal, but they manufacture it in Hyderabad.
Right.
So this is the famous rasgulla. This is langcha, komla bhog, chom chom, sandesh, and this is वो गुड़ होता है ना जो
Yes, yes, yes.
गुड़ का वो
Jaggery,
संदेश
jaggery.
जागरी yes yes so these are the sandesh এটা কি গো ছানা পোড়া so this is ছানা পোড়া again
It's
ছানা
a
मतलब
cake. It's a pancake.
yeah kind of pancake we don't call it pancake but it is yeah ha so and this is mishti doi the
Oh.
curd you know the meetha jo hota hai na that is something I mean I can die for so these are perfumed
These all are crystals, psychic healing purpose, mental balance, calmness. These for meditations, okay, and is all about the physical healing and mental healing, body, mind, soul.
So, what are the events you are going to organize tomorrow?
Tomorrow here the same way we will have all these you know cultural performances will come you know all these stalls will be there definitely this is again some there are most of the things are Bengali studies but there is a mix and these stalls will be open till tomorrow evening so today of course they are there and functions I mean performances are there and in Prasad Labs we also have the film screening there are 4 films from morning to evening it will continue.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you so much.
Designer collection, exclusive designer collection which are like very unique, and our brand's name is Suri and our tagline is stand out from the crowd. So check out our collection, they are indeed stand out from the crowd collection.
अच्छा आप और किसी से बात करना चाहते हैं
हो गया सारी सारी चीज बताई आप मूवी के बारे में बताया कल्चर कुजिन
ठीक है
अभी आपके बारे में खुद से करी सिर्फ मिठाई मेरा 210666 कौन सा भी चलेगा
मैं ये
अच्छा,
दो चीज आपको बोला और
ప్రస్తుతం మనం ఇక్కడ బెంగాలీ మూవీ కల్చర్ ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ బెంగాలీస్ సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు సో మనం ఇక్కడ డయాస్ దగ్గర ఉన్నాము ఒక బెంగాలీ ప్రముఖ డాన్సర్ ఉన్నారు ఆవిడని అడిగి ఆవిడ మాటల్లోనే తెలుసుకుందాం హలో మ్యామ్ వాట్స్ యువర్ నేమ్
Hello, my name is Shochis Mehta. I am a Bharatnatyam dancer. I am in Hyderabad since last 14 years now. And Esprimiti under Bengalis in Hyderabad started long 12 years back. And now it is, we are welcoming here all the artists to express their talents. This platform is mainly for the people who are upgrowing, like growing talents, budding talents of Hyderabad, and also from outside Hyderabad people are joining here. And this year Esprimiti we are celebrating in Shilparamam, Hyderabad, and this is Esprimiti is the wing of Hyderabad Bengali Film Festival. And this time there are a lot of participants from different streams of dance, music, theatre, especially classical dancers, vocal artists, instruments, everything is there. So it is a very enthusiastic response, and we are also overwhelmed to see it that the response is so good. And Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Manipuri, Kuchipudi, and I am very very thankful to the local people here. A lot of Telugu people joined here in this program, and we are overwhelmed to see that they have now crossed. We have crossed any language bar, anything. Nothing is there now. We all are same. We all are one under the umbrella of Bengalis in Hyderabad and Esprimiti and Bengali Film Festival.
కళకి సంస్కృతికి భాష అనేది ఎప్పుడు కూడా అడ్డంకిగా ఉండదు అని కూడా ఇక్కడ ఈ బెంగాలీ మూవీ ఫెస్టివల్ నిర్వాహకులు పార్క్తో పాటు అలాగే ఇక్కడ ప్రముఖ డాన్సర్ కూడా పేర్కొన్నారు. ఆ, అనేక భిన్నత్వంలో ఏకత్వం అన్నట్టు కూడా దేశవ్యాప్తంగా కూడా వివిధ కళలు, వివిధ సాంప్రదాయాలు, వివిధ నృత్యాలు కూడా ఉంటాయి. కథకళి, ఒడిస్సీ, భరతనాట్యము, కూచిపూడి ఇలా అందరికీ కూడా ఎవరైతే యంగ్ టాలెంట్స్ ఉంటారో వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా ఇది ఒక వేదికగా కూడా ఈ వేదిక ద్వారానే వాళ్ళ టాలెంట్స్ని బయటికి తీసుకురావాలనే ఈ బెంగాలీ మూవీ కల్చర్తో పాటు ఆర్ట్ అలాగే వంటకాలకు కూడా ప్రత్యేకంగా 2 రోజుల కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఇక్కడ నిర్వహిస్తున్నామని కూడా నిర్వాహకులు తెలిపారు. వీడియో జర్నలిస్ట్ సాగర్తో శ్రీచరణ్, శిల్పారామం.